Hello and welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana, and in this video we are making easy red velvet cake mix cookies. Add the dry cake mix to a large bowl. Then add eggs, vegetable oil, and melted butter. Then just mix those together by hand until they are well combined. I recommend doing it by hand versus using an electric mixer because this dough is very thick and sticky, so it might put a strain on your hand mixer. If you have a big stand mixer, those are a little more powerful, so you could use that if you want to, but I just think it's easier to do it by hand. Once your ingredients are well incorporated, go ahead and add your white chocolate chips and mix those in until they are evenly distributed. Here's what the dough looks like when it's all done. You can just add it straight to your baking sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. Scoop out about 2 tablespoons of dough per cookie and drop them down about 2 inches apart on the baking sheet so that they have room to spread out. The dough is very sticky, so use a cookie scoop like this, or you can use 2 spoons to just drop the dough straight onto the parchment paper. Before I put them in the oven, I like to add a few extra white chocolate chips to each cookie. I'm going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. I'm just looking for the edges to be set like this. You'll see that the middle still looks a little underdone. That's okay because they're going to firm up more as they sit. I actually let these stay on the baking tray for at least 10 minutes before I remove them. Now this will give you a very soft and chewy, almost gooey kind of cookie. If you prefer a firmer cookie, you can leave these in the oven a couple extra minutes, but just be careful to keep an eye on them because they will go from chewy to crunchy really quickly. If you're interested in making this recipe, you can find all the ingredients in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.